Hello, crafters and artisans, and welcome back to Psychedelic Squid Fiber Arts. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to fix a noisy bobbin. In this particular scenario, the bobbin has too much space between the internal diameter and the diameter of the spindle, which causes the bobbin to jump during use, and it clacks against the spindle. You can hear how it sounds here. The supplies you'll need are dowel material of the appropriate diameter. I used 1/4 inch for this bobbin. You'll need wood glue, sandpaper, a drill, and drill bits ranging from small to the same diameter of your spindle, stain to match the existing finish, and a hammer and a punch. To start, you'll need about a 1/2 inch of dowel for each end of the bobbin, and you'll want to taper the edges slightly with the sandpaper to make it easier to hammer the dowel in place. Be sure to test the fit of the dowels for a snug fit. After that, add wood glue to the bobbin and the dowels before hammering them in place. Try to get them flush with the existing bobbin ends. I used a hammer and a punch to push the dowel as flush as it would go, which led to just a little bit excess poking up from the bobbin edge on each side. I sanded the ends flush with the bobbin using sandpaper. Before you start drilling, I suggest matching the drill bit size to the size of the spindle diameter. Then, to start drilling the new hole in the bobbin, I suggest using a drill press, which I don't have, and starting from a small bit to the final size. Once you've done that, stain the new material to match. You can see here I actually ended up off-center, so I redid this, making sure to keep the hole centered the second time. The beauty of this technique is you can redo it with ease if you end up off-center. After that, just make sure that you've removed the play from the bobbin and that it still spins freely. Then, test it out again. Here you can see it's much quieter and doesn't jump about. Please leave any questions in the comments section below, and thank you all so much for exploring the depths of your creativity, and I'll see you next time.